name is Dr. Elizabeth Kimani Murage. I'm a senior research scientist at the African Population and Health Research Center. I'm also a public engagement fellow with the Wellcome Trust. I'm also a human rights defender, and I'm particularly passionate about the right to food because I'm convinced that the right to food is the most basic of human rights, upon which all other rights, including the right to life and the right to human dignity, are anchored. I have lived in Nairobi and worked in Nairobi for a very long time, for close to 20 years now. I have done a lot of research amongst the urban poor in Nairobi and have observed worrying trends of food insecurity and high levels of malnutrition amongst the urban poor. But this problem is not just a problem of the urban poor. I have also observed high levels of obesity and diet-related diseases across the socio-economic divide. I cannot sit back and watch. Time for change is now. I want to lead this change in Nairobi. My vision is to end hunger and all forms of malnutrition in Nairobi by 2030. I also want to see Nairobi restored to a place of cool waters that is food secure, healthy, and environmentally friendly by 2050. I want to see Nairobi as a place where people live in peace and harmony in the spirit of Ubuntu through a transformative, human-centered, and regenerative food system. I want to call on all Nairobi residents to take responsibility for their diets by embracing local solutions to the problem of poor diets. I want to encourage Nairobi residents to embrace innovative organic urban farming and to ensure food loss reduction by sharing their excess foods with those who don't have enough to eat through a food rescue system. I also want to call on the government, both at the national and the county levels, to put in place supportive policy framework to support this vision. I also call on the civil society, including the media, to support this vision through social activism. Thank you.